everyone, please welcome to the stage Miss Jaye Maynard and her Blossom Band.
I'm dead, I'm in step. When it was hip to be hip, I was hip. I don't pull, but I'm a fan. Look at me swing, ring-a-ding-ding. I even call my girlfriend, man, I'm so hip.
It was the first time I heard her sing, and I was really impressed. She is a jazz singer. She doesn't just sing the notes that are on the page. She does things with it, and that was really nice.
Oh, I heard her one night quite by chance. Now wherever I'm walking, I dance. And New York is not quite the same. 'Cause when she'd sing, the city'd swing. Sweet Blossom Dearie.
And I came out to see Jaye because she's a Renaissance woman, and the fact of the matter is we're very good friends. I knew very little about Blossom. She took me down a road of transformation, took me down through a time tunnel. It was great.
I've stumbled onto a sweet surprise. What lovely eyes, what sweet surprise are you?
It's been a real pleasure to watch the show grow and watch Jaye grow into the songs.
She was fabulous. This music is beautiful and so much fun. Just had a wonderful time, and she really, really did well. So I'm very proud of her. Yay!
Then when you decide you want me for your bride, the deal be done. Both of us will be so independent, we will live on the run. Picketing for every cause, fighting all unjust laws. Happy as can be, just you, J. Edgar Hoover, and me. Shenandoah dressed for spring. When the festival's the thing, the costumes, floats, and marching bands are all the work of helping hands. It's Winchester in apple blossom time. My Virginia in apple blossom time. Long Daddy Green likes to hypnotize and melt you with his magic eyes. Knows he can make you believe you're the only one. He'll show you the sun, then he'll grab it and run. You'll try to talk his sleeve one day, your hopes are high. He'll turn around and walk away, but still you try.
Jaye sings like a dream.
Vintage style, class, heart, soul. Blossom Dearie Songbook just fits Jaye like a glove.
I love Blossom Dearie. I didn't know that much about her before Jaye hit me to how hip she was. And I remember the Schoolhouse Rock.
Figure 8 as double 4. Figure 4 as half of 8. If you skate, you would be great. If you could make a figure 8, that's a circle that turns round upon itself.
And it was so exciting to see Jaye be at her best and bloom fully on stage as she just brings forth all this amazing music of Blossom Dearie.
Jaye, she takes the cake. Oh, she captures your heart. I love Jaye.
Touch the hand of love as you walk that weary road. Let it hold your tender sorrow as you travel your tomorrows alone.
Best thing I can say about Jaye is she is one of the most authentic people I know. She just does her thing, and her thing is beautiful.
Obviously, in this day and age of Lady Gaga and Justin Bieber, it's such a wonder to hear traditional music with such beautiful composition and beautiful lyrics, and as always, Jaye and her beautiful voice.
I just can't wait to see Jaye continue to perform because she just has this silky, jazz, beautiful voice that needs to not just be here in New York City, but really needs to be shared around the country, around the world.
Say